Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen to see what we all have cooking. Well, this week we're going to be doing another tailgating and touchdown recipe, and we're going to be doing it in our Instant Pots, and we're going to be having one heck of an Instant Pot barbecue party. So grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking.
Well, folks, it's hard to believe, but New Year's Day is almost here, and this is going to be one of the very last Tailgating and Touchdown Thursday videos of 2018, but I'll see you in 2019 doing our Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays. But for this week's Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, we're going to sit there and do it all in our Instant Pot, and we're going to have one hell of a barbecue party, and it's all going to be happening inside Betsy. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I went ahead and I made some homemade meatballs. But if you don't want to make your own, go ahead, go and put some frozen meatballs in there. Okay, I went ahead and I took 1 pound of ground beef, and I went ahead and I made up my own meatballs, and I partially browned up my meatballs, and that's what I have inside my Instapot right here. Now, to that, I'm going to sit there first, take these meatballs all out of the Instant Pot because we got the barbecue sauce we have to make up. So, let me go ahead, remove all the pre-made meatballs. And if you don't want to sit there and make meatballs, go ahead and just put the pre-made frozen. Alright, now I removed my meatballs that I made. I'm going to sit there, split this package of little Smokies. I'm going to cut that in half and get that ready to go. But right now, let's get working on that barbecue sauce. Now, you're going to be needing 12 ounces of apricot preserves or apricot jam. Now, I was quite shocked when I went to my pantry and I found out I'm totally out of this, so I'm telling you, apricot jam is coming right down the chute, right along with that marmalade jam of mine. Now, we're only going to be needing 12 ounces of the apricot. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add approximately 12 ounces. That's good. You're going to want 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Well, I'm using my canned up version of Sweet Baby Ray's. I'll be sure to leave an iCard, so if you want to make your own Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, you can make yours as well. But you're going to be needing 1 cup of that. So let's go ahead and add it. Now, let's give everything a good stir inside of Betsy here. So we mix that apricot preserves all up into the Sweet Baby Ray's. Let's go ahead, add the meatballs back all in. I'm going to open up my package of the little smokies, and I'm going to add half of that all in. Okay, I have my package open, and remember, I'm going to be adding half of this. And it's okay if they're still frozen like what I'm putting in here. It's perfectly fine. Now, I'm going to go pop this other half of mine into a Ziploc baggie and put it back up into the freezer for another meal. Let's give everything another stir. So we kind of put all that good sauce on every little bit of meat, and it's okay if your hot dogs are still partially frozen and in the hunk. They'll get coated with all this good luscious sauce. So I'm gonna sit there and call this evenly all coated. Gonna grab my lid. Let's go ahead, put our Instapot lid on, close it all up. I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna push the manual button, and I'm gonna set it for 5 minutes, which already is on 5. And now we're gonna sit there and let the magic pot do its little magic. See you in 5. And also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but make sure that you have your vent in the closed position. And after 5 minutes, we're going to do a quick release. The Instapot now just sounded off. Let's do a quick release. Let's go ahead, remove the cover, and let's give it all a good stir. And then also, I'm going to open up this can of chunk pineapple. I'm going to drain all the juice from it, and we're going to add the chunk pineapple to all the party inside the pot. Okay, now we're going to sit there and add the drained off pineapple. Give this all another good stir, and let the party begin. And there you go. There's your Instapot barbecue party.
If you really liked what you saw here today, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to let others know about my channel and about this recipe. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now.